Yeah, my name is Aaron Zul, the founder and CEO of Man One Plumbing and Drain Services. Man One Plumbing and Drain Services were established 2019 with the mission to give best service and product to each customer.
When we think of BBB, we're like telling ourselves it's not just about acquiring profits, which every company wants, but how more of the philosophy we share. Having a healthy, growing population depends on sanitation. So our company should be one of the major pieces making sure that our nation can achieve that, our family can be happy, because that's one of our goals, to make sure our society moves forward, and making sure BBB own the aspiration of having compliance can move forward.
Men One's Plumbing has always, from the beginning, ever since I met them, wanting to be different from your average, say, any kind of contractor, right? What people perceive them to be. And he's always wanted to do honesty, educate the customers. That's always been a very big thing, because he wants to make sure that not only is he going to a job to help and fix something that might be wrong, whether it be a boiler or a leak that has happened or a drain backup, he wants to make sure that he can educate his customers for future things to do and prevent these things to continue happening. So that way, in the long run, the customer is actually saving money, and always being honest, truthful, and direct with the customer has always been really important to Men One's Plumbing.
It's more like a family kind of environment. We want to support each person on a daily basis, making sure that as much as we achieve at the company, they themselves can grow professionally, they can acquire money for the families, and we all can just be happy and make sure our services are provided, our customers are happy, and it is just more about making sure results are achieved at the end. Results are really important for us.
Men want to be involved into the local community. For instance, we have no birthday left behind. We have one that I'm sponsoring them, and I've been sponsoring for like go to 3 years now. And also local police officer 911, which is the charity for police officers, and also Worcester Firemen Association, and I also am one of their sponsors too. So when it comes to community, I'm involved because it's very important to me. With a safe community and a community that is all together, that's how we grow.